Hello, welcome to UNGER and our life hacks for the nLITE PowerPad. Let's get started. When working with a brush, you're used to working with a positive angle, but have you ever worked with the nLITE PowerPad at a negative angle? Today, I'll show you what a negative angle is and when you should work with it. The nLITE PowerPad has a positive angle as standard. However, a negative angle offers completely new possibilities. To use a negative angle, simply adjust your angle adapter. But what are the benefits? A negative angle gives you much more control and allows you to glide more easily, especially in conjunction with the swivel function. It is important to note that you need a little more space when working, as you should stand a little further away from the pane. If you have limited space, we recommend working with a positive angle. This means you lose a little control while working, but you can stand much closer to the pane. Any other questions? If so, let us know in the comments. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up.